So I think the good time is just to follow now, because you are going to speak, so that's a good time. But just before that, let me formally welcome our chief guest, who is, as you know, a current National Security Advisor, one of the most important functions in the government in a world wherein everything seems to be insecure. And in such situation, National Security Advisor is one of the most, has a pivotal role to play in keeping not only the citizens secure, but also to create a sense of security, which he is supposed to do and he has been doing. Just before that, he was our Foreign Secretary, and in fact, we have other quite Foreign Secretaries here. So Mr. Shiv Shankar Menon was a Foreign Secretary. He has been an ambassador to China. He has been our High Commissioner to Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and also he was ambassador to Israel. He played a very important role in the landmark civil nuclear deal that India signed with the United States. He had a very big role to play in that. Also, he was, in his previous life, responsible for advising policies on nuclear issues. He has tremendous experience in many of the issues, but also particularly, as I said, how do you now India articulates its vision about security, just going beyond a limited angle? And that's what we really look forward to listening from him. In fact, while I was reading this list, I suddenly realized that I've been, few of the times when he was an ambassador, I was a minister and I visited. So I've seen how professionally he used to operate in those countries, how much respect he commanded. And in fact, his knowledge about the local issues of those countries was phenomenal. So we are very happy to have you here. I will request you to deliver a talk. I just forgot to mention one invisible figure when I was mentioning about a board. I think that's Kiran Pasricha, who I don't know whether she's formally on the board or not on the board, but she plays quite a big role. As you all know who know Kiran, that how effective she is. So I'm very happy that she's also here. So I now request Ambassador Shiv Shankar Menon to deliver his address and to have good time. Thank you.